Hi, I'm Karen Taylor, founder of Breakfast Cure. I've been practicing acupuncture for 25 years, and I love Chinese medicine because the benefits are available with even the smallest amount of this wisdom. A new way of understanding the human being is available and opens the door to so many benefits. Today, I want to talk about my biggest passion, congee, a traditional meal that's widely respected in Asia for its digestive benefits. Yin and Yang are the foundation of this wisdom. Yin is the substance and the fluids, the tissue of the body. Yang, on the other hand, is the warming, moving, energetic aspect of the human being. Together, in perfect balance, there is optimal health, whereas death is the complete separation of yin and yang. We want to balance these principles inside our own body in order to feel great. Congee is a meal that helps create a foundation for finding more balance because it builds yin and fluids, which helps to balance the warm way it's eaten. The fundamental benefits of congee stem from the fact that it fuels the fire of digestion. Warm, well-cooked foods that are easy to digest are excellent for the spleen and stomach, and the digestion in general. The extra moisture in congee is the key to balancing all of this wonderful, cozy warmth that allows us to build plenty of energy without getting dehydrated or overheating. One of the main reasons warm, moist breakfast is so good for you is that it allows you to start your day with a meal that moves you closer to this optimal balance of yin and yang, and therefore have good health, feel comfortable and energetic, and be at ease. Thank you so much for watching, and welcome to the Wisdom of Warm. Now head on over to breakfastcure.com and sign up for our newsletter so you won't miss any of my mini masterclasses. Have a great day.